So we will revise the session. Okay. So somebody is in waiting room. Xavier still not join because I think network is weak in his side. Okay.
So I'm there in the meeting.
You are there, but you are showing still joining.
So probably network is a bit bad over here, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Because okay, somebody is also there.
Vacuum लागणार ना
Uh, okay. So Ajit, there? Ajit is there?
Yes, sir.
So one question is for you. What is life processes? And you had to describe any one of the life process in short. What is life process?
Life processes are the processes which occur in the body and bring any change.
Like if that question somebody will going to ask you, like Ajit, what is the definition of life process, beta? So what will you answer then? See, very simple. Life processes. Those processes they are performed by organism to sustain life are called as life processes. Very easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So again, I want you to reply once. Ajit, what is life process?
Those processes which
Are
change
which are performed by a living organism
those organisms which those life processes are the processes which are the processes
performed by a living organism to sustain life.
performed by living organisms
Organism
to sustain life.
life, yes,
Okay,
are
sir.
called as life process. Okay.
Example are digestion, excretion,
Yes, Mrs. Grain, if you
nutrition.
remember, you will remember all the 7 life processes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next question is for Adarsh. Adarsh.
sir.
So I want you to tell any 5 life processes, their names.
Okay, sir.
So what are they? I want you to speak 5 life processes.
Nutrition,
Nutrition, respiration,
excretion,
excretion,
reproduction,
reproduction.
metabolism.
Metabolism is under nutrition, will come under nutrition. Do you remember the name Mrs. Grain?
Sir,
Do you remember the name that I have explained you, Mrs. Grain?
no, sir.
See, again I'm going to explain you. So you have to remember the name M R S is Mrs. and Grain is G R E N. Wait a second, beta. Let me explain you. See, Mrs. Grain, if you can remember this by writing like MRS, Mrs. GREN, Mrs. Grain. Okay, Mrs. Grain. See, M stand for movement. Movement. Then R represent for respiration. I think somebody is in waiting room. No. Respiration. We have S for sensation. Okay. Then we have G for growth. Then R stand for reproduction. E stand for excretion. And N stand for nutrition. Okay. Others?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me again all 7 names?
Okay.
What are they?
Movement,
Yes.
respiration,
Respiration,
sensation,
sensation,
growth,
growth,
reproduction,
reproduction,
excretion,
excretion,
nutrition.
nutrition. Good.
Nutrition.
Okay. Then we have Chanchal Patel. Chanchal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is life, beta? What is life?
What, sir?
What is life? What you can say what are living organism?
Those factor of ecosystem which perform life process are living organisms.
Okay, okay. So those factor of ecosystem, they perform life processes. Okay, are called as. Okay, good.
Living organisms.
Yes, yes. So next student we have Sanjay Drishti. Are you there, beta? Drishti. Am I audible? Drishti? Okay, your voice is not clear to us. Okay, then we have next student. Rashul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next question is for you, beta. So I want you to define nutrition. What is nutrition?
Sir, nutrition.
Hmm.
Nutrition is a process by which an organism takes food and utilizes it to get energy for growth.
Yes, yes. To perform all, to require energy to perform all the life processes. Okay. So nutrition,
Yes,
yes. Nutrition is the intake of food. Okay, and digest it, assimilate it, absorption of nutrition, then assimilation of nutrition and excretion. Okay, so all this process, if we will, keep the excretion aside, then till the assimilation, okay, is all comes under the nutrition. So nutrition is the process, or it is one of the life processes in which all the living organisms they consume the food in order to produce energy to sustain life or to perform all the life processes are called as is called as nutrition. Okay, good.
okay, sir.
Then we have Samarth.
Yes, sir.
I want you to describe photosynthesis reaction.
Photosynthesis is the process in which plants take in minerals and water from either atmosphere or through their roots, and by the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, they convert the waters and minerals into simpler products of glucose. And the formula for glucose is C6H12O6, and store it as starch in their
In
food
the form of
systems.
starch. Yes, yes, good, very, very good. Then we have Xavian. Xavian,
Yes, sir.
okay. So question is for you to describe autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, I want you to describe for us. Can you? Okay, okay, you are having net issue. So I'm going to describe for everybody. So autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organism prepare their own food and they do not depend on other organism. Okay, and they prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, are called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, all the green plants are there, blue green algae is there, and in bacteria we have cyanobacteria. It also performs the photosynthesis reaction. Okay, so all these three type of examples we have in autotrophic nutrition. Have you understood better, Xavier? Xavier, understood? I think network issue is with him. Okay, next we have Praharshan. Praharshan is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, will you please pronounce your name?
Sir, you pronounced it correctly.
Okay, okay. So I want you to describe photosynthesis. Okay, which kind of energy is absorbed, which is coming from the sun, like sunlight? Which kind of energy contain in sunlight? What is the kind of energy does sunlight contain?
So what kind of energy the sunlight contains?
Yes, sunlight contain. Anybody? Anyone can answer the question.
Sir, light energy or UV energy?
No, no. UV, generally ultraviolet rays are there, but they contain radiant energy. Which
Yes,
energy?
radiant energy,
Heat.
formed of photons.
Yes, yes. Okay. Next question is for again for Chanchal Patel.
Yes.
Autotropic. I want you to describe. I want you to tell any three example of autotrophs. Three example of autotrophs.
Sir, plants, green plants.
Yes, all green plants.
Um,
Blue green algae is there. Blue green algae
yes.
and one bacteria called cyanobacteria. You can write it down the name also, cyanobacteria. Okay. So we
Yes.
have all green plants. Then we have blue green algae and cyanobacteria. Okay. All these animal organism perform autotrophic nutrition. Okay. Understood, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Now next question is for Ajit again. Ajit. Okay. So see, generally plant absorb water from the soil. That water present in the soil, what it called? The water present in the soil. Which is absorbed by the plant through their roots.
Sir, could you repeat again the question?
See, generally during for the photosynthesis reaction, plant absorb water. Okay, like in nowadays, it is there is no water stored on the land, but still plants they are absorbing water and performing photosynthesis. That means soil contain water. Is it or not?
Yes.
So, what is the name of that particular water which is present in soil?
Capillary water.
Yes, capillary water. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the water which is present in the soil is called as capillary water. Okay. What is the specialty of capillary water? What is the specialty of capillary water? it contains dissolved minerals in it. Okay.
Yeah, it contains more minerals than
Yes.
normal.
Yes. Like we have rice plant. So rice plant require lot of water. So if lot of water is there present, then they contain less nutrients, but the capillary water, they contain more dissolved minerals and nutrients in it. Okay. Okay. Next question is for the others. Can you describe the complete process of which are the steps which involves in holozoic nutrition? What are the steps? Like we have described for 5 stages, 5 steps. Which involves in holozoic nutrition.
Sir, ingestion, digestion,
Ingestion means what? Intake of food, taking food inside the body. Okay.
yes, sir.
Next,
Absorption,
you said digestion. Second one
digestion,
is digestion. Yes. Then
absorption,
absorption of nutrients. Okay. Next,
excretion,
no, assimilation. Once the
okay.
nutrients are being absorbed, see, nutrients are absorbed in our small intestine where small finger-like projections are present. We called it villi. And on the wall of the villi, microvilli are present. So these microvilli have capacity to absorb nutrient from the digested food. Okay, and that nutrients then transmitted all over the body to the individual cell where energy is going to be produced. Okay, so these nutrients have to be transported all over the body. This process is called as assimilation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so and last is excretion. Okay, so excretion means what? The removal of
Removal of food.
waste material out from the body. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed in our 2 lectures. Okay, so any doubt till here, Vida? Now,
No, sir.
so I want you all to perform well in your Sundays. We will have the next test on this chapter. So I want you all to perform well. Okay.
Sir, can you
Yes, sir.
upload this on Google Classroom?
This notes or
Yes, sir.
or the question that okay, I'll do it. Definitely. Yeah, notes
Okay,
still
sir.
notes still not prepared completely. That's why I had not uploaded, because some part of like circulation is yet to be prepared. I have prepared notes a lot, but it's not completed yet. So work is going on it. Okay. So probably
Okay, sir.
1, 2 to 3 days I'll upload. By Friday I'll get upload.
Sir, what is the weightage of this chapter?
I'll tell you in next, because I haven't gone through it also. Probably
Okay.
5 marks, but I'll explain you everything about this chapter next class. Okay, Vita?
Okay, sir.
So have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Vita.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye.